So in this question we have solve y is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 3 is greater than 0. Solve this quadratic inequality. Now to start with, what you do, you find the roots by solving the quadratic equation by setting y is equal to 0. Then you factorize, and then you get x, that'll be 3, that'll be 1, and both of them will be positive. So either x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. So if x plus 1 is equal to 0, that tells me x must be minus 1. And if x plus 3 is equal to 0, that means x must be minus 3. So what we're going to do now is sketch this. So this is going to be this type of parabola with a minimum turning point because the x squared term is positive, the coefficient of the x squared term is positive. So we would have, so it's just a rough sketch, as long as you get the shape right and the position, you're fine. Okay, now we want to know when this function, so that is this function here, when is it greater than 0? In other words, we want to know when it's above the x-axis. So the region that we're interested in is this here, this region. So in other words, we could say that x squared plus 4x plus 3 is greater than 0 when x, now any value, okay, of x, if it's less than minus 3, well, this will always be above the x-axis, yeah? So for x is less than minus 3 or when x is greater than minus 1. When x is greater than minus 1.